Hi and welcome to our new sale here of a semi-detached house in a very convenient position just by the port of Duquesa. Coming into the living room where you have a nice fireplace. It's a very spacious room with direct views out to the sea, as you see. And also we have, of course, the golf course. So green nice views and blue nice views. Look here what we have and can enjoy all year round. We also have a private pool just by the golf course, and it's high up so the golfers won't see you when you are sunbathing. Here on the side they also have made a small corner which we will see better later on, but with a barbecue, and it's a little bit shielded from the wind. So walking in again to the living room, you have an access here out and down to the pool directly, so you don't have to go downstairs inside. But here, look all the space you're having. And walking back to the entrance, on our left-hand side, we can take down all this wall if we want, and we are going into the kitchen. So you can make a semi-open plan kitchen. But this kitchen have a lot of cupboards for everything that you need. And they also been very clever putting everything in working height. So, lot of space. Like cold stuff here. We also have a door, and this goes directly out to the garage. So this was the first floor, just passing the small guest toilet here. It's been newly renovated, quite modern, and with the windows you get the light inside. Walking down the stairs, we will find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And starting in the back, we have then this bedroom here with a window kind of on the side. And what you have here is a lot of wardrobes, with this one particular with, I think it's 80 centimeters deep. That's what they can't make nowadays. So a lot of space for all your shoes and other clothes. Coming here to the smallest bedroom, also with some window and new wardrobes, quite a lot of space. And here you have, to your right, the bathroom for those 2 bedrooms, with a small jacuzzi bath to enjoy, particularly in the winter. More extra wardrobes here for storage. I'm getting too close, it's not the best of viewing. And here we get into the main bedroom, where you have your own jacuzzi, and again the sea views and everything. They have also their own ensuite bathroom with a shower. And again, as you see, loads of wardrobe space. And here you come directly out to the garden with a pool. And you see the nice views. And as I said, elevators, so they can't really see you from the golf course. So getting into this area where you have the barbecue, as you see, it's quite shielded, except from the golf course area when you have wind from there. Big barbecue area for entertaining. And you got this nice big base table there. Underneath here they have a little bit of storage. As you hear, look like camping or whatever they want to land with. And coming this way, we also get into the garage. So quite size garage with a lot of height. So if you need an extra shelf, you can have it again. And here we're coming then into the kitchen. So that was a full round of this villa. And remember that it is walking distance to the cells, to the port, and to everything you need, and looking out over the Gulf and over the sea.